Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I want to show you how you can creating edge print on your PCB. The thing how to do after designing your PCB, and you need to creating some edge printing. You see the some PCB, then you look like let me go to the Google and then show you something you have to do right now. Edge printing PCB. And sometimes you see some PCB like this one, look like this one, and then like this one, and then you asking yourself and then see like how can I do this one. So this is your term. You see like this one, you see this edge, and then it's like how can I do this. You see, this is a time you can know how you can do this. So let's go here. I have the project, and then you have to creating the edge. First of all, you have to go to the layer, and then you're selecting top layer. Look, you can use this top layer mask or bottom solder mask. You see, it's the same like even when you see on the lamp, on the you see here, thing like this, and thing even on the lamp. You see here, there is edge printing here. You see here how they make this one this way. So let's start, and then you go here. After selecting this one, you can creating this demo, and something you can take creating like this one, and then it shows here and choose the anything you want, but legend is okay. And then let me check. You can make creating another one. It's creating more. Okay, same. And then you save, then you check the CD. You see how it is, or the edge is created. Edge printing is created. You see here, I put there is no trends for the edge for the printing. You see, click on the memory. You see here, I'm putting the some distance here. So I think you learned something good. If you like it, press in the comment. Thank you. Bye bye.